Welcome to this week's edition of Clarion Energy News. I'm Jennifer Runyon. Story number 3. FERC has agreed to delay the implementation of several cybersecurity reliability standards that had effective dates for this summer. So some standards that were set to take effect on July 1st will now be pushed to October 1st, and some even as far out as January 1st, 2021 and April 1st, 2021. Now, it was the North American Reliability Council, NERC, that had requested that delay in response to the COVID-19 crisis. NERC said that in order to comply, utilities would have needed to expend significant resources and efforts in the coming months toward establishing those new process and procedures, conducting the required coordination, and establishing documentation of compliance for FERC. And NERC said that utilities' time would be much better spent focusing their immediate efforts and resources on maintaining the safety of their workforce and ensuring the reliability of the grid during this public health crisis. You can read the whole story at power-grid.com. Story number 2. China's Baofeng Energy Group said it started construction on the largest solar-powered hydrogen pilot plant in the world. The project will use a 200 megawatt solar power plant to make green hydrogen. Now that's green because it's made with renewable energy. The project is located in the northwestern region of Ningxia. It's expected to cost about 1.6 billion yen. That's equivalent to about 198 million US dollars. And it's going to produce 160 million standard cubic meters of hydrogen per year. The project also involves the creation of hydrogen refueling stations and a collaboration with some urban buses that are hydrogen powered. The company said the project accelerates the energy transition and that it sees great potential in hydrogen. Go to renewableenergyworld.com for the whole story. Story number 1. Brendan Bechtel, CEO of the EPC firm bearing his name, is calling on the U.S. government to make a robust investment in infrastructure as an antidote to the economic collapse brought on by the pandemic. Brendan Bechtel was named to the President's team of advisors for the post-COVID construction workforce effort. And his firm, as you may know, is the lead contractor on many global power generation projects, including the Vogtle Nuclear Power Plant Units 3 and 4 expansion, and the recently completed 1,100 megawatt combined cycle Cricket Valley Energy Center in Dover, New York. Bechtel noted that the U.S. energy, engineering, and construction industry produces about 5% of the gross domestic product and employs about 3 million people. Among his recommendations to the government for getting the industry back to work include 1. Widespread test and trace capabilities, 2. Increasing public sector demand for projects to offset the retreat of the private sector, and 3. To improve the efficiency for project permitting and approvals. You can visit power-eng.com for that whole story. So this is the last week to catch Hydro Review's webcasts on hydropower and COVID-19. Go to hydrorew.com to register for this Thursday's webinar. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching.